Yeah, that's a great question. First of all, most teams need to understand what you mean by growth mindset. So, number one would be to clarify what we mean by that. There's a lot of different models out there that give you the growth mindset versus a fixed mindset. Once you've set the stage, I love to brainstorm with the leaders and or the subset teams to talk about what is our old verbiage and or our current way of thinking, and what is it we're trying to move towards, and what would we say instead. Something as simple as my book of business versus the company's book of business. So the old way would be my book of business. A growth mindset is, it's not mine, it's the companies, it's the team, it's the firms, it's the agencies. So the new way from a growth would be, it's our book of business, it's the company's book of business. Other shifts can be obviously around training and feedback and onboarding. So really it's about, number one, clarify the difference between growth and fixed. Number two, it's a deliberate workshop to unpack the old language to the new language. And this is often how I kick off internal universities, especially when groups are really looking at innovation and shifting. Their initial 6 or 7 curriculum pieces are actually bound around this very topic, and we have to start with defining what it is that we're even talking about. Because if not, people get a little confused.